Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, please subscribe and like. Today will be a review on the Kiss Lash extension kit. I paid about $8 for it and here we go. So this kit comes with everything that you need: the clusters, the tweezers, and the clear glue. You want to first start with putting the glue in the little glue holder, and it comes with two sizes: medium, which is at the bottom, and small, which is at the top. I start off with clean eyelashes, and I just brush my eyelashes upwards just to make sure they're as straight as possible. Sorry about my pores. I know that my face is not looking the best right now, but I did want to make sure everything was clean for this tutorial. Here I'm just gonna fast forward. Sorry that my eyes are not centered. It was kind of hard looking down into the mirror and making sure that my face was centered. So I'm just gonna say this. I was having some trouble with this set. The glue wasn't that good. I usually use Adele's black glue just to make it look more natural when the glue dries. It doesn't have that white crusty look. And I go underneath my lashes instead of applying them on top. I also think that gives it a more natural look in the end. They recommend going from the outward in. I like to put a cluster right in the middle just to get my bearings, and then fill it in as I go. This is not a tutorial, so I'm not going to go really in depth on my process, but I did want to put a little space between each cluster just to give it that, I guess, that clustered look. So this is my finished product. I liked how they turned out, although the headache I don't think was worth it. This is a personal preference, so there are little spaces in between my clusters. This process actually took me a while. I had to start all over about twice. It was really the glue that gave me the most problems. So now I'm going to do the brush test. That's basically when I brush the lashes to see if anything comes off. The first time it did not come off, but off camera they decided to come off. So I had to put them on again. Like I said, the glue was trash, so I mean, what can you expect? Next time I do them, I definitely will use my usual glue, but I do like the clusters. Honestly, I would give this product about a 7 just for the headache of the glue alone, but the actual clusters themselves I really like, and I thought that they were easy to apply. They just didn't stay on. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Please like and subscribe.